In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse and expand paragraphs in Microsoft Word. Scrolling through a massive 50-page document just to find a single paragraph of text completely stalls your editing workflow. It turns your workspace into an unreadable wall of whites, and today we are unlocking Microsoft Word's hidden structural layout markers to turn your bulky chapters into clean, interactive, collapsible text blocks. So let's look at how Word handles this logic under the hood. You can collapse regular body paragraphs on their own. Word's layout engine needs a structural anchor point to know where a section starts and stops. It reads these anchors through heading styles. You can just highlight your main section title or paragraph header, then move up to the Home tab right here. Tap Look Inside the Styles, can Gallery Container right over here, and click Heading 1 here. And then, exact second you assign a true heading style, move your mouse cursor over to the left margin right next to your title text. Now, just choose your heading. You could do this from any direction. I'll do it like this, for example, and now as you can see, we have this gray triangle chevron icon instantly appearing. Right after this, the layout engine will snap into action, completely folding and hiding every single paragraph beneath that title. Click it again, and as you can see, you will have this tiny gray triangle chevron that will instantly appear. You can just click on this triangle carefully, it's pretty small, and the layout engine will snap into action, completely folding and hiding every paragraph beneath that title. And if you click it again, quite a small button, your text will unfold seamlessly. Collapsing chapters one by one takes too long if you have a massive report. We can just use the global control layout to collapse everything simultaneously. And you can just go ahead and right click on any heading that's active in your document, then you will get this context menu that will appear. Then slide your mouse down onto the expand and collapse button here, and just select collapse whole headings, and on the very bottom, then instantly your entire document will shrink into a clean scannable outline of titles with all body proportions and paragraphs hidden away. If you want to dock your document to open this way automatically every time, you can just use this as a default. Click on your title again, select paragraph, and this will open the formatting deck. And then just click the box that says collapse by default right here. Just check it and then press OK. And that is it for this video. That is how to collapse and expand paragraphs in Microsoft Word. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.